everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So guys, it's been long time. I don't have been making any kind of video in English for my channel. So I'm not consistent in this channel. So guys, the thing is, if we don't do consistently practice in English, so definitely we forget everything. So these all things happen with me. I've forgotten everything which I have been learning in my English journey. So if we don't do any kind of practice in English daily in a daily basis, so I think it's you can forget everything. So I'm not saying I forget everything in English, but I'm facing problem whenever I try to speak in English. So I forgotten many word in English. So the thing is, we should consistent in English no matter what is going on in your life. But guys, the thing is, I was busy somewhere, and I have other exam too, and I have to do so many things. So that's why I could not make video for this channel, and I'm not consistent. So guys, as you all know, these days are very scorching hot in our area and all India, I can say. So that's why I am facing, and I was faced some health issue, and that's why I'm not feeling well still, and I have been facing so many things. So guys, you can understand, if uh, we have not healthy body, so we can't do anything. We can't do anything because if we want to do something, so in our life, so we should first care of our health. So health is first priority to every human. But it's happened with me always. I try my best to be healthy, but in this what can I say, summer season, I face so many problem, and I don't know why I can't survive in this hot weather. So that's why it's happened with me. So guys, from today I want to be consistent in this channel, no matter if I don't make long video. But if I get time, so I will definitely try to make short video for this channel. Because if I don't do consistently and I don't make any kind of video for my channel, so I'm not doing any kind of other practice. So I should be consistent, and I should make video no matter how many mistake I do and did. But if I do mistake, so I can learn from my mistake and learn so many things in English. So guys, I know only basic English, though I am not saying I'm perfect in this language. But I think if I can speak something like this, so this is enough for me. And what can I say, this is enough for me now. Because if I do consistently practice, and if I love this language, and if I always be enthusiastic to learn something new in English, so no one can stop me to be fluent in this language. So that's the thing. If anyone want to develop any skills in English, so I think they should be consistent. And uh, no matter what all things going on in their life and my life, but try to be consistent, and don't be demotivate if you do so many mistake in English. Just try your best. And if you uh, want to learn this language, so you should focus every day to learn something new. And don't be demotivated if you don't know anything about this language. Because I started my journey also from scratch, so I didn't know anything about this language that time. But if I can speak something like this today, so it's my hard work, I can say, though I'm not fluent. But if you know basic English, so you can convey your thought easily. So that can help you to in your confidence, and gradually you will develop your confidence and skill too in English. So guys, that's all things I want to share with you today. So that's it for today's video, and I will definitely try to make many video in this for this channel. And I try my best to learn something new, so that I can share with you all. If you are a learner and beginner in this language, so you can watch my video, and if I do any mistake anywhere, so you can correct me too. Because I always said in my video, if I do any mistake, so you can correct me, because I'm not saying I'm a trainer and teacher. I'm just learner and try my best to learn in this journey. And because I want to develop this skill, so if I make video for my channel, so this thing can help me to grow in this language. Because if we don't do any kind of practice in alone too, so I think we can't learn this language. So that's why I prefer to make video, and I will definitely try my best to learn this language, and I will try to make any other kind of video in English. So guys, now I forget everything, which because I don't haven't practiced since long, so that's happened with me. So guys, that's it for today's video, and I will definitely come with a new topic and new video. So in this what can I say, scorching hot season, summer season, be careful and try to be hydrate, and just take care of yourself, because if you are healthy, so you can do anything in your life. So just try to save yourself and be healthy and be positive, and try to learn something new in a daily basis, and you will definitely reach at your goal, and I am also. So guys, bye bye, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.